Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we're going to be test driving this beautiful 1966 Ford Fairlane GT. The paint and body on this one's absolutely gorgeous. It's got that nice throaty sound. Sounds great under the hood. This is a 394 barrel. It's a date code correct engine. Couldn't find any VIN numbers on the block itself, so we believe it to be the original engine though, and it does have its numbers matching 4-speed transmission. So it's a factory 390 S-code GT with its original numbers matching 4-speed. The paint work inside and out on this GT is absolutely gorgeous. Inner fender paint is excellent. Shock towers are nice. It's kind of a bare bones car, 394 barrel 4-speed, no steering, no brakes. But the condition of it is absolutely beautiful. You could take this to any show and be super proud of it and come home with some sort of a trophy. Front bumper is excellent. Grille and eyebrow surrounds look to be original. It's got 90,000 miles on it, and I believe those should definitely be the original miles. All the trim and stainless is still in great shape, but you can just tell that it is original. Our hood gaps are excellent on it, front to back. The back of the hood lines up perfectly. Now, we had this car before, Brady, one time.
Yeah, I was about to say, it looks familiar.
A year and a half ago, we sold it. The guy just traded it back in on a 67 Mustang Fastback. And I'll be quite honest with you, I forgot how nice this was. If you look up and down the sides, the door lines up beautifully. The body line's excellent. It's laser straight. Back bumper chrome's nice. Back tail light chrome is even original, and that's still in great shape. Make sure you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. Check out those undercarriage photos. We have about 20 to 25 photos under there. Really good, clean car. No bubbles or blisters anywhere on the driver's side. I'm sorry, on the passenger side quarter here. Bottom of the door lines up nice. Rocker panels excellent. Bottom of the front fender is super nice and lines up nice as well. So we open up the corner of the door. Corner of the door is perfect. Door jamb paint. Under the hood paint, trunk paint is all as nice as the exterior paint. Felts and rubbers are great. It's like the original roof rail rubber here needs just a little bit of glue there. I'll tell you what, the dash pad is perfect. I don't see any cracks there. Again, door jamb paint's nice. Quarter paint is beautiful. Even the striker is all new. When they did this restoration, they did a beautiful job. Seats are in great shape. The cushions are nice. The inside dome lights work here on the door handles. Both of them on the armrest. Dome light works as well. Under dash light works. That's just the kind of quality this car is. Even the console light works. So all 4 of the 5 of the courtesy lights inside work. The headliner's perfect. Back shelf, door panels, seats, everything is super tight and clean. It's got just at the right light, it's got just a little bit of checking in the paint right here. Just a tiny little paint imperfection right there. Gotta get right on top of it. Not quite sure when this restoration was done, but when it was done, they did a beautiful job. It's got its jacking instructions. Look how nice and clean the trunk is, the jambs in the trunk. As we open here, look at this. I mean, the underneath of this car is beautiful as well. It's got all the original boards across the drop downs. If you're looking for a really nice factory 4-speed GT car, this one's gonna be hard to beat. Trunk lines up, excellent. As we look up and down the driver's side, laser straight, beautiful paint. Over the quarter panel is excellent. Rocker is great. I don't even see much for chips in here. There's one tiny little chip on the edge of the door right here. Rocker panel, bottom of the fender. Front edge of the fender, the door lines up perfectly. I guess if you want to pick on it, this rubber right here, got a little tear in that window felt. It's got 2 little dings right here in the very top. Very little, like the end of a pencil eraser. Here's your factory colors. Here's your factory, it's a T code, so it's a factory red car. 93D, you're always looking for your S code to tell if something's a factory GT. And this one is. Door panels are excellent. Again, driver's seat, no wear coming in or out. It's a beautiful shape as well. It's got the nice wood grain steering wheel. Every piece of this car was taken apart when it was painted. Doors, hood, fenders, trunk lid, everything was taken, dismantled. Here's your heater fan. Heater fan works good. All speeds. Isn't that a miracle?
Yeah, that's cool.
Original AM radio works perfect. Clock needs to be set. It's got 90,070 original miles. I'm pretty sure by judging by the car, it's definitely original. I mean, this is a tight car. It's got an aftermarket Ford tachometer. See that? Not a factory one, but it is a Ford one. Factory 4-speed shifter. The shifter is nice and tight. Oil pressure right here at an idle is 65. Goes over 85 pounds. Charging gauge works. Temperature gauge works. We're at 130 right now. Gas gauge works. We're just under 3/4. Horn works. Tack works. Just like a lot of these cars, when we've had them before, we'd fix all these things. So it's nice to get them back again. Then everything's ready to go. It does have a remote mirror that works as well. What do you think of this, Brady?
I like it.
Seats are comfortable, aren't they?
Yeah, it is. It's a beautiful car.
If it drives as nice as it looks and feels, we'll have a really good one. Now, I don't know if you've mentioned here, no power steering, no problem. You know, it's got the big steering wheel. As long as you're moving, it works great.
She's got some go to her too.
It's got a lot. I mean, this 390 in 1966, this is Ford's version to compete with all the SS 396 Chevelles. I mean, there's your brakes. It's got a little pull, just a little pull the first couple times to the right. We'll see if it goes away. What drum brakes? I mean, that always kind of happens when they sit around for a few days. Second gear scratch speedometer works perfect. Look at the alignment down the road. Look at this. That's 75 in third. 90 in fourth. 3,400 RPMs. Here's your brakes now. Look, you see what I'm talking about with drum?
Yeah.
Just that first little stomp on them. You know, sometimes they'll move a little. Now it's perfect.
Yep.
So the brakes are excellent. The steering is as tight as you're going to get. Guys, this is one super nice quality car. Not getting on it, we'll just kind of drive it normal. I guess not normal to me, but normal to some people.
Yeah, this might be my new favorite car on the lot.
It's super nice. I mean, it's a crisp car inside and out, and it does drive as good as it looks.
It does.
No doubt.
If not better.
Yes. I mean, look at this. The 4-speed super tight. We'll go ahead and downshift up here too, so you can, we know it's nice and tight going up. Let's see how the synchros are. Perfect going down to third. Rear view mirror is nice and tight as well. There's first gear. I love it. Great car. Make sure you check it out on our website, Coyote Classics. Give Dave or Aaron a call and let's make it yours.
Let's do it.